This is the
Simple Houseware.
rectangular sturdy desk organizer that has a nice handy file folder that fits a normal size file. Let me show you. Here's one that's a little bit thick, maybe about an inch. Fits right inside there while leaving the other flat trays open. Now the bottom shelf holds this nice drawer tray that you can configure yourself for pens, notepads, tape, paper clips, or any of the normal desktop items that you need. Maybe your stapler, but that you can put either in, well, you can put it anywhere you want on the trays. Like it will, yeah, it fits right inside this bottom tray or the middle tray, probably just the bottom tray. It comes with these that you can configure yourself. You can see the little notches in here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that it's a very sturdy with a nice sleek black finish. It's easy to keep clean and to dust. It also is very easy to put together, and the slides come out as well as the drawer and the top one. This is ideal for a work from home situation, an office environment with a shared workspace, a cubicle. It's very durable. It's great for keeping your desk organized, especially if you're working on multiple things at once or to keep projects separate from each other. That is my honest review on the Amazon Basics desktop organizer. I hope it helps you to decide on your purchase.